Guys, Jamie from Anchor Vans here. Today I'm going to show you a quick video on where to find all of the fuse boxes in the Ford Transit Connect. This is the 2015 model. This first one is actually quite easy to access. It's in the passenger compartment. There is a couple of kind of connectors or securers. You have to pop them out, each one, put them down. One at the very end here too. So conveniently for this example, it's not actually going to budge. They are removable, as you saw, but the process is quite tricky. I've managed to take this one out so you can see, but this isn't the be all and end all. So you remove the felt lining and you're presented with the passenger component fuse box. Second fuse box is actually inside the boot. So if we go on the right side, the vent is poppable. Detach that slowly. You'll see your second fuse box. Your fuses on the wires here. To pop this in correctly, what you need to do, into the sides first. Click at the top, click at the bottom. Simple as that. And the same on the other side here quickly. We've got some recovery tools. So a jack for flat tires. You see the last box is conveniently marked and it's actually screwable, as you can see, but it's got the fuse symbol, or a fuse silhouette if you will there, just to signify that it's the fuse box. But it's just here on the passenger side. You just pull and eventually you'll hear a click in the front and that'll be the bonnet popping. There's also a yellow tab you have to pull across to the right, which will eventually open up, and is the security lock.